Hey guys, Goblin Treasures. I am taking apart this Thistle Power Glide Pet Vacuum Cleaner. And usually I just dump all this mess out. Got all that nastiness. But I saw something on the side. See? There's a penny at least in there. So I thought I would dump it out and we'll go through it. See what else is in there. Alright, let's do this. I'll just sweep it all up afterwards. It says spring and renewal vacuum filter. Oh, so I did smell something a little good. Ugh, man. Oh. Yeah, it didn't all come out of there. Let's see here. Stir it up with the screwdriver. See if we can't break that puppy up. And get the rest of that out of there. Ooh. Okay, I gotta be quiet. Alright, so yeah, I haven't done any magnification videos yet. I haven't found the magnet yet. I know it's in my storage unit somewhere on the right hand side. I believe it's in the cabinet. I can't get to it yet, so okay. So yeah, let's dump the rest of that out. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah. Alright, good enough. Alright, I guess I can kind of go through it. Looks like a piece of chalk. Yep, yellow. Got some, is it Christmas paper? Looks like a Christmas teddy bear. I just found this the other day. So, oh cool, we got us a finger skateboard with hearts on it. I don't know. It's not for me. Oh, it's got words on it. Let's see here. Yeah, oops, I can't read that mess. Let's see here, sorry I dropped it. Yeah, it's not worth nothing. Kind of cute. Going in the trash. Let's dig around a little bit with the screwdriver instead of my fingers. Maybe some glass in there. I see there's a white thing. There's another one over there somewhere. Alright, let's see here. Dead moth. Some kind of sequin right there. What is that? One of those things that hold tags, price tags on. Sippy straw things. Hors d'oeuvres. What's that? Ooh, did I just find a diamond earring? Well, y'all, I think I just found a diamond earring. That's freaking awesome. Whoop, almost lost it there. Wow. Was not expecting that. Came in here for a penny. Found a diamond. What? I gotta check this out, y'all. Hold on. Let me set you down. Okay, let's see here. Oh shit. Right, whoops, turn. Keeps turning in my fingers. Yikes. Alright, so right there, it looks like it possibly has some words and I can't get it to focus. Hold on. Come on. It looks like it has some words there. I can't get it to focus. There we go. That focus? Can anybody read that mess? Come on. We're trying to get a, I think think there's some words there. I don't know. Sorry, I can't get it to focus there. That looks like the only place where there might be some words. It's pretty bent up, as you can see. Yeah. So I think we got us a silver earring with a diamond in it. That's freaking awesome, y'all. Yeah. I love it. Alright, put that back together. Stick that in my bucket so I don't lose it. Potentially. Alright, y'all. Let's dig around a little bit more. Heck yeah, man. An earring. Potentially a diamond earring. Alright, I really did not think. I just came in here for a penny. That's so funny. I don't know what that is. Maybe a straw that's been chewed up. Oh gosh, y'all. You don't have y'all facing the right direction. There's the penny. Let's grab that puppy out. Whoop. What year is that? 2015. Here we go, 2015. Alright, we'll put that in my other pocket because it's kind of hard to get into that pocket. Alright, ooh, this is kind of hard to dig through here. It's so sticky. Pine needles and everything. Well, it was near the woods where I found this, so they had a lot of trees in their yard. I don't know what that is. What is that? Is it important, y'all? No writing on it that I can see. Teeth. I don't see the word Lego on it, although I did find some Legos yesterday at another location. I did not make a video, I should say, of that. So, I went there to get some CDs because I found a Tomb Raider disc, but only disc 2 was there, not the whole thing. So, yeah. A lot of these little white crystal things. Anybody know what they are? Cat litter? I don't know. They're pretty smooth, whatever they are. Could have been that fragrance thing to the vacuum. Could have been, I guess. Another sequin thing. Just cheap plastic. Okay, yeah, I'm touching it with my bare hands. Oh well. Okay, let's see what's in this pile. Oh, a push pin. Go ahead and pick that up by the safety end. Looks like somebody had some popcorn. Dropped the kernels on the floor. Yeah, I got this vacuum. Well, it's funny. Okay, last week I got the vacuum cord. I didn't want the whole vacuum. But every day driving by it, I decided, you know what? It's got a motor inside. I'll get the motor. Like, we got a spring and a hairpin. So I'll get those. Whoops. Alright, a spring and a hairpin. We'll put those in the car with the screws and stuff. Alright. Let's see what else is in. Ooh, another push pin. I don't want those. Alright. Could be potentially a second diamond earring. In this mess. That's only if they dropped them both on the floor and vacuumed them both up, right? Alright, let's grab this up. Throw it back in the nesty thing. Alright, let's dig through it some more. Oh, the light is on, y'all. I'm sorry it looks dark, but the light's on in the garage. The light's on the camera phone. And a big old nasty mess there. Trying to dig through it. So, don't see nothing there. Plastic candy wrapper. Oh, man. Oh, a second penny, y'all. Look at there. What year is this one? 1994D. Come on, focus. Come on. Focus. Ba-ba-boom. There you go. 1994D. Alright, let's stick that in my pocket. Look, my screwdriver became magnetic. All of a sudden, I got a staple on there. Alright, let's see here. An earring backing is stuck to the screwdriver. So, put that in my bucket. Alright, let's see here. That's sad. If I thought I potentially sucked up some diamond earrings in my vacuum, I'd be checking that sucker out. But that's just me. And I'd be putting pantyhose over the thing too, so I could easily get it, so I wouldn't have to dig through all this mess. Yeah. So, 2 pennies and a potential diamond earring. Silver diamond earring, yeah. Okay. Wow. At least there's no bugs in here except for the dead moth. Looks like a broken rubber band. Rubber bands deteriorate after a while. They're like good at first until they deteriorate over time. So if you want it to hold something indefinitely, you don't want to use a rubber band. Alright, let's see. Anything? Piece of wood. Safety pin. Don't want it. I got safety pins. I don't need anybody else's safety pin. This pile here's a little bit thicker. Yeah, I don't see nothing. Trying to break it apart, but it's not really working too well. Doing the best I can, y'all. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the tear down of the rest of the vacuum. I'm kind of having difficulty. And I don't like people watching me struggle doing that. I mean, I have put out some struggle videos, but, you know. Oh, no, that's another one of them pricing thingamajiggies. I don't feel nothing in there with this. So I guess there's not another diamond earring, but the backing was there. I found the backing. And that seems to be that. Right? Yeah, that's that. Okay. Well, I'll feel for it anyhow, I suppose, huh? A little bit. Nothing. I know, right? Nasty. Something potentially hard. And it is what? What is it? I don't know. Piece of plastic. Alright, a piece of plastic. Nothing there. Right, nothing. A piece of broken mirror. Yeah, I was hopeful, but I got more than I expected, so really. I was just thinking I was going to get 1 penny out of there. I got 2 pennies and an earring. Ta-da. Alright, nothing. See, some of these clumps I couldn't feel nothing with the screwdriver. Obviously, the screwdriver's not going to tell you whether it encounters something hard or not. Oh, I thought that pink thing was something. It's nothing, it's foil. Foil. I really wish I could get a hold of the car vacuum places and dig through that. Nothing there. Is that a piece of glass? Yep, that's another piece of glass. Right wires, different kind than the mirror glass. Just kind of feeling like that, so hopefully I shouldn't cut myself like that. Just feeling for something hard. Feeling and looking. Oh, a Band-Aid. Sorry, y'all. Keep dropping the phone. Camera. Nothing. So basically, if you're gonna vacuum with a vacuum with these crystal things in it for smelly stuff, they're gonna get everywhere. To me, they shouldn't be able to come out. They should be locked in there somewhere. My mom asked me the other day what I was going to do with all this stuff I find. I told her I have no idea. I said we're turning stuff in that came from money. Alright, it was feeling kind of hard. I thought we'd take a closer look, and I'm not seeing anything. So, nope, nothing. I think I found a bear claw yesterday in the trash too. Ooh, is that something? No, just more broken glass. Tiny pieces. Alright, I might have to get the rest of this up with a broom and dustpan, y'all. Basically, I don't see any other potential jewelry pieces. So I think overall we did pretty good. And that piece there. Yep. I'm happy with that. Okay. One big old pile of yuckiness still. Alright. So we want to recap, you said, of what all I found in this vacuum dust collector. How much to vacuum up, huh? Okay. Alright, let me get it all out for you. Okay, y'all. The recap of what I found. And I'm serious, it looks like a diamond to me. Diamond. That is what we found. 2 pennies, earring backing and earring with a backing, a spring, a hairpin, and those are keepers. Can we zoom in on that? Is it zoomed in? Yeah, there it goes right there. So yeah, that looks like a diamond to me. I wonder if I could read the words on it now. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so we got it zoomed in. Let's see if we can read this puppy. Maybe not. Those things are tiny. Come on, I know there's words there. I can see it. Might not got a good background or something, maybe. Maybe my pants? Help it focus. Hey guys. Go. I really think it says something there, but I cannot read it. I'm trying so hard. Sorry. Guys, I'm trying so hard to get this to focus in for you guys. It ain't working. I really think it says something now. I turn it sideways. Still can't read anything. I don't know why it looks like words to me, but on the camera I can't read them. Oh, I just dropped it. Oh, I lost it. Come on, it's gotta be right here, right? That's too funny. I dropped it right here. Now it's gone. Just like that. Easy come, easy go. Where'd it go? For real. That's too funny. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I lost it for real, y'all. I don't see it anywhere. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. We know it's in the garage, y'all. We know. Alright, come on, Booker. Where did you go? Oh. Didn't go down the crack. Booker. Well, I'll be hog-tied. My goodness. It's gotta be here. Just drop it right here. See? That's what happens in the house too. You drop it and it should be right there. You dropped it right there. Where did it go? Oh, there it is, way over there, y'all. Can you believe that? It could have gone in the crack after all. How the heck did it get way over here? Is it possessed? I don't know. I don't know, but let's see here. Put it back on the ground. Right here somewhere. There it is. Maybe we can see it now. Oh. I don't know. I still can't read it. Can y'all? Should I turn it around? That's too freaking funny. That went pretty far. I dropped it straight down. How did it get that far away from me? Alright, right here. Where's my finger? There we go. What does it say? Can anybody read that? Because I sure can't read that. Not at all. Still can't read it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to focus still. Yeah, I don't know. This is the only side with markings on it that I can see. Shoot, let me drop it again. Yeah, I don't know. It might be real, it might be real fake. Where's it at? There we go. So, would the markings be on the stem or on the back here? Dirt from the thing. Okay, so let's see here. We're just gonna look at it. Could be just scratches, but I doubt it. I'm sorry it won't stay focused, y'all. This is just the way it is. Okay. So yeah, maybe it doesn't say anything at all. I was hoping to see the words 925 or heck even platinum. I don't care. I don't think I've ever found anything platinum yet. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Say goodbye to the diamond.